Hello and welcome to the Inteletravel ITA Test Drive. This test drive will offer you a quick peek at what tools will be provided when you become an at-home travel agent with Inteletravel. When you partner with Inteletravel, you will have access to all the tools that you will need in order to be successful, like your own personalized website. You can create your own personalized website in less than 5 minutes, and best of all, there is no cost to you. The personalized website is free to you as an independent travel agent with Inteletravel.com. You can add your personalized name and a picture, even a business slogan. After a short review, your booking engine will appear on the internet, and now you can share it with others so that they can book their travel with you. Your clients can visit your website and register, and when your customers book travel through your website, it is automatically tracked and attached to you. Imagine earning while you are at work or at home. Your website will provide a booking engine, as well as special deals, information regarding travel tools and resources, and much more. Let's check out some of the hot deals that you and your customers can book in the US and around the world. Save on bookings with Delta Vacations, Norwegian Cruise Line, Universal Orlando Resort, Celebrity Cruises, Disney Cruise Line. The list just keeps going. You can see it all here, and this is available to you and your customers. Now, let's explore your agent-only back office. Your back office is filled with more ways for you and your customers to save on travel, earn more on travel, and to help you learn more about growing your travel business. Let's log in. When you click on Inteletravel.com and log into your agent-only back office, you will find so many resources to get you started and educate you to grow more. You will earn commissions for booking travel for others, or when visitors to your personal website self-serve and book for themselves. You can book rental cars, cruises, flights, hotel rooms, or vacation rentals that allow you to book multi-bedroom homes and earn commissions. When you click on the My Commission link, you're going to see the travel that was booked through your website. You'll be able to see who booked with you, what was booked, and the estimate of your commission payout for the booking. Let's take a look at some of our top sellers. As an independent agent, you are in the driver's seat to earn as much or as little as you want. When travel is booked through you, you can earn on your own personal travel, on travel booked by those you know, even on bookings made by those you don't know who found you on the internet. And because of Inteletravel's exclusive relationships with their preferred partners, you will have access to the best of the best in entry-level, premium, and luxury cruises, river cruises, vacations, escorted tours, and more. When you recommend and sell the best quality products, that makes you a top quality travel advisor and travel resource for your customers. Let's continue our tour by educating ourselves. The Inteletravel motto is, the more you learn, the more you earn. Inteletravel offers a comprehensive training program for new ITAs, such as Inteletravel University, which offers travel advisors certification to help you become more familiar with Inteletravel and the travel industry. The Inteletutorial Library offers exclusive audio and multimedia guides to help you sell the world's top travel products and is filled with information including the latest travel specials, sales tips, company news, and Inteletravel's exclusive live training events. In partner education, Inteletravel offers many complimentary educational opportunities from the leading travel suppliers in the industry. More tools to help you grow your travel agent business, and remember, all of the training is available whenever you want. Part of your education as a travel agent may include traveling more. As an ITA with Inteletravel, you will have access to FAMs. FAM is short for familiarization, and these trips are only available to travel agents. Vendors put together amazing trips at reduced rates, allowing agents to come learn, discover, and experience the resort, cruise line, or hotel. Experience a special vacation destination and come home with first-hand knowledge to sell that new destination to your customers. There are bound to be questions along the way. When you find yourself looking for answers, look no further than your knowledge base, also known as the Google of Inteletravel. Here, you can enter a topic, such as commissions, and the results you need will appear on your computer screen. We know not every answer will be a knowledge base, so if you find yourself in need of assistance from a real person, click the live chat button to speak with someone immediately. Inteletravel's customer support is available 7 days a week to support you, the at-home travel agent. Thank you for joining me today as we test drive the ITA website. If you have any questions, please speak to the person who shared this video with you and make it a great day.